A chilling video from May 3, 2025 has gone viral, showing a tourist in Thailand spotting king cobras right outside their hotel room door. The clip, which racked up millions of views on platforms like X, captures the tourist's shaky voice saying, "My hands are shaking," as the snakes slither nearby. Netizens are shocked, with comments like, "Never going outside again," and "Check your toilet," flooding the internet. But is this just a terrifying encounter, or could it be a cryptic warning tied to something deeper? Let's break it down. The video seems real. King cobras are native to Thailand, and hotels in tourist areas like Phuket or Krabi often face wildlife intrusions. The tourists' genuine fear adds to the authenticity. However, some fans on Reddit are skeptical, theorizing the snakes were planted as a cryptic message. In Thai folklore, king cobras are often seen as guardians or omens, sometimes linked to spirits warning of danger. Could this be a symbolic message about environmental issues like habitat destruction, driving wildlife into human spaces? Others suggest a darker conspiracy. Perhaps locals staged the incident to scare tourists away from over-tourism, a growing issue in Thailand. But there's another angle. Some X-users speculate this could be a viral stunt to boost the hotel's notoriety or even a marketing ploy for a new Thai horror film, noting the cinematic quality of the footage. The lack of an official statement from the hotel fuels these theories. What's the truth? Is this a real wildlife encounter, a staged viral moment, or a cryptic warning rooted in local lore? What do you think? Is the king cobra scare a genuine incident, a staged stunt, or a symbolic message? Vote in the poll below. Real, staged, or warning? Drop your theories in the comments and let's unravel this mystery together.